Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. Reminiscing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm gon' put another slave. I had that draw that not too many bitches getting saved. Yeah, celebrate me, so I took a private plane. Get like a mom with the to the car, too hard to the car, let's send it to the ground like a bitch by the name. Too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around the truck.
So my channel, I'm because I'm in the phone. But internal is peace. But, and I'm a little ugly right now. And the lighting's not good. But I went to Ross. And I found 2 shirts. And I just got me some socks. But and I'm in Marshalls / Home Goods. And they have more goods than they have clothes for me personally, but I like it. That's why I'm glad I did. I'm doing mostly online. But yeah, these pants are cute. These pants are cute. I'm gonna get them even though I really don't have nothing to pair them with, but they're cute. So I'm gonna get them. And my dad want me to get some, so I'm just gonna get them. But after this, I'm going to TJ Maxx and then I'm going to the mall. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night. Finna try out all this stuff, period. Whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little dotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap. So she gotta take this one out because I didn't like the hair of this one. It looks so but it goes right here. Let's see. I wish I could have got a little longer, but it's good. It's super duper cute. The hair was like $14, $15, and it feels really nice. It's the hair. Hopefully she put the curls that it into. I think she gonna I don't know how she gonna do it, but yeah. I'm getting breaking out. Hold on in that motherfucker. I'll hold you in that damn motherfucker. It's not, y'all. It's just a concern. But what? Y'all, so this is half of my hair. And it's literally so cute. She has to fix that one piece. So, yeah, y'all. Oh my god, I look so ugly. My forehead looks so good, like them edges though, baby. Baby. But it's okay because I'm gonna look better. Every time I come up here, I always have on these angel pants, sweatpants. Go check out my haul. It'll be in like the little card up there. But it's so freaking adorable. I hate these. I hate these. Like literally, they just look so much ew. The other hair for the wig, like it gives such a more wavy vibe. What's on here? I don't know why I just said my intro. I'm sleepy. It's like 1 o'clock something in the morning. But I just got home. This is my hair in the mirror. As you can see, like, it's giving. It's cute. She did an amazing job. I tag her on the screen. One thing I didn't like, though, I was so mad because I spent extra money on hair. And I could have put that money in my pockets because I was needing it. But it is what it is. I just saved it for my next hairstyle. But this is just a little 360. She did an amazing job. Like I said, it's exactly what I wanted. But yeah, that's it. I just really went to the Yellow Mall and I didn't get anything. I tried on stuff in American Eagle, didn't find anything that I liked, and it was just no, not that one. So I'm probably just gonna order me some stuff offline. And my shoes I still gotta get. Tomorrow's Sunday and I still haven't got no shoes. I'm gonna try to get some shoes from this girl. But yeah, I'm finna change my clothes. I'm super tired. I'm finna wrap my hair, do my mama hair, and go to sleep and wake up in the morning. And I do a thing. I gotta clean up my room before I leave for my trip. And I'm probably gonna clean my piercing before I go to bed. But I'm super tired, you guys. I'm super tired. But this hair is so freaking cute. It's so ducking cute. I had to come back because I am literally so obsessed with these freaking braids. And don't mind the lighting. Like, let me turn this light for. But I am so obsessed with these braids. Like, she did an amazing job. Like, it's exactly what I wanted. The hair is really, really soft too. Like, I did a good job. So yeah, like, it's so cute, bro. I feel so good. Like, I feel like let me get off this thing and go to bed. Like, I'm doing too much, and that pimple is just making me look ugly. I got a boxer shit. Like, I feel like a true baddie, and like, it's still to the top too. Like, period. Can we do a haul for y'all? But yeah, so I'm doing my toes right now. I'm filing them right now. And I drilled off the gel polish that was on my toes. I buffed them out and I cut them, and now I'm filing. And now I'm about to apply like the tips on there after the right eye. Alright. So now I'm done filing my toes. I'm not gonna show you how my toes because I feel like no free feet content. But anyway, I'm got my little tips or whatever. I'm gonna apply them on with my builder base. Yeah. So I gotta hurry up because my mom will be home in any minute. So I'm trying to get my toes done before she comes home. So I'll get back with y'all when I'm like halfway done or putting them under the toes. No free. But the nails are cute. Focus. There we go. Yep. And then my toes, I polished them, y'all. I really did it. I didn't film me going into the store to get these, but I got some of the Jordan 11 lows. I think these are, yeah, the University Blues. So, yeah, they're super cute. My camera will not focus. Okay, but they're cute. Got a steal on these. Don't mind the box. But, yeah, I just got done polishing my toes. Like, I'm so proud of myself because I really did a good freaking job. They're kind of like acrylic toes too. So yeah, I'm gonna be explaining why I did not film me doing my lashes, because like literally I did them the day before and they're falling off now. But like, I insert a picture of how they looked before. They were really cute, but they're really falling off now. I haven't filled them in, but let me go ahead and explain. I explained it before why I didn't film me getting my nails done, but I didn't like the footage because I was just beating around the bush. Anyway, I did not film because when I first went in, I asked for these nails. They said they could do them. This is why I need my own nail tech. Comment down below if you have a good nail tech in my area. I live in South Carolina, and yeah, if there's a good nail tech, they don't charge your arm and a leg and have crazy prices. But so yeah, basically what happened was I asked her to do something. They said they could do it. She sent me to the girl who mostly does feet. So when she was doing it, the shape that I wanted was square. She cut the sides and it was coffin. I know I didn't want these at first. So like, and the base color, I don't even do nails, but the base color did not match because she put down clear. And then when I confronted her about it, oh, you didn't tell me. You're the nail tech, you're supposed to know. You have the license, you're supposed to know. I said I want the picture. And then the manager started guilt tripping me. The owner started guilt tripping me, talking about, not guilt tripping me, but like saying I shouldn't get it. And basically it's going to be $90. It's a lot of money. I didn't ask for all that. I'm young and concerned. I didn't ask for all that. I'm paid. Like, come on. If it was what I wanted, I would be willing to pay $90. I don't care. So owner, I'm like, okay, when she gets done following my nails, I'm done. Like, I was like, I'll pay you and I'm done. So she's just looking around confused. So the owner gets called and she's like, okay, I'll fix them for you. You really can't do no fixing because it's not the length that I want. It's shorter than the length I want. In my opinion, these are short nails. Take a moment. They mostly go by length. Don't even look at designs. By the length, I don't think these are $70. $70 length. But toodaloo. But anyway, she starts. So I was like, okay, don't let nothing like the picture. Just do me a cow design. So she starts doing cow designs on these 3 hands. I only said this hand. You want to go full blown so you can get your $70 and do designs. No. But yeah, it was just a crazy experience. I don't think I will be back no time soon because that just really pissed me off. So I really got to find me a nail tech before my birthday, which I already have one in mind, but I just don't feel like soaking no nails off because I really just got there, so it's going to hurt my heart because I'm just spending money.